Replacing the speaker for Q2i and TA200 Plus. Unscrew the 4 screws at the back of the terminal by using a screwdriver. Remove the back casing. Unplug the connector from the antenna. Remove the speaker by using a screwdriver. Replace the speaker with a new one. Apply heated glue to secure the speaker. Plug in the speaker connector back to the main controller unit. Place the back cover back to its original position. Tighten the 4 screws. Plug in the power connector. And turn on the terminal to test it. FingerTec, we make things easy.